Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here. Today we're making New Orleans Sausage Alfredo. I'm starting by chopping up some beef smoked sausage. You can use chicken or turkey sausage. It's your kitchen. Do what you want. We also have some heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, kosher salt. So let's get this sausage open. Oh, we also have linguine, but you can really use any type of pasta you want. We're just slicing them into bite-sized pieces. And moving the sausage to a plate and setting them aside. Next, we're going to get our water into a large pot and bring some water to a boil. We're going to add our pasta to this boiling water and let our pasta cook just until al dente. We're going to remove our pasta from the pan and dry the pan out. Next, we're going to add our sausage and cook and stir our sausage until it starts to brown. This sausage is already fully cooked, but we want to add some color, and also browning the sausage adds flavor. Now the heavy whipping cream goes in. Now our salt, pepper, and Cajun seasoning goes in. We're going to give it a nice little stir. We're going to let this mixture thicken just a bit. Toss in the Parmesan cheese and stir that until it melts. Now add the pasta back to the pot. Oh yeah, baby. Let's give it a little taste. So good. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you.